Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit image without Photoshop using CSS only. Initially, I added a PNG image and add CSS for the container section. Now inside CSS, add image width and height. Also add a box shadow to visible the image frame. Now come to the filter section. Let's add brightness. You can increase or decrease the brightness of the image using number or percent value. For this image, make the brightness to 120%. Next, change the contrast of the image using contrast function. Here you can change the image contrast with the number or percent. For this image, let's make the contrast 115%. Next, come to the hue rotate function. Using this function, you can adjust the image color hue with the angle of the color palette. For this image, add 10° hue. Next, come to the saturation function. Similar to Photoshop, you can change the color saturation using percentage. Here I am adding 120%. Next is the sepia function. Using this function, you can add a warm effect on the image. You can also adjust the effect using percentage. Here I'm adding 10%. Now come to the invert function. Using this function, you can invert the color of the image with the value in percentage. Next is blur. Using this blur function, you can add Gaussian blur on the image. You can change the blur effect with the px value. Here we don't need the blur. Next is drop shadow. Using this filter function, you can add a shadow effect on the object, exactly like Photoshop. In this image, I already added a box shadow which shows outside the image frame, but drop shadow will come on the object. Here we go. You can see the clear difference between before and after. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.